Come on. Go. Go, Trent. Go, Trent.
Good job.
Push, 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 push.
Go ahead. More.
Back.
Come on, back. Push back. There you go. Push, push, push.
How many people would you say died on this property? Thousands.
Push, Trent.
Push back.
There you go. There you go.
Push back, Trent.
Go get her.
Lift your legs. Lift your legs and push back. Kaylee, back off.
She's just helping.
I know, but he doesn't need help on that.
Come on.
He can do this.
Come on.
Good job.
He's kind of going rocking. See, he's kind of going backwards and forward. Yay!
Good job, sweetie.
On the other side of the wall,
Pretty far. I'm going to go back over to the trash can.
screaming, and a guy came over to a rescue, and apparently he was pushed.
I got it
And
out.
both of them still out of here went and cleaned themselves outside.
Okay, I
Thank
got it out.
you.
Go back in.
Cutie.
Push all the way to the trash can where I am.
This is the kind of stuff I'll chase after. Keep going to the stuff.
Well, they did trash can, Trent.
Is there an entity here that wants to do harm to us? We're opening ourselves.
Oh, but I did a trash
Well,
can.
that's a good one.
Touch me or
Come on, push.
hit me, slap me.
Him rocking could teach him how to go forward.
Mhm.
He's rocking.
Are you going back? Are you going back?
Capture voices from the dead. A frequency
Push.
below what are
Oh, they did trash can, Trent.
right here to come right through my body and come into this.
Oh, they did trash can. Where am I?
Push. Go back to see Kaylee. Go back.
Why did you do it?
Keep going. Yay!
Receiving no
Yes.
response.
Go back. Go back.
Satanic worshiping was held. When this
No,
move
not
forward,
forward. Back.
wanted to see if maybe this
Back.
portal
He actually just went forward.
demonic entities could enter and exit our world.
Trent, back. Back, Trent.
Satanic worshippers
Are you going to go more? More back?
wanted imagery on the wall.
You're going forward.
Was painted by the mansion's staff to cover the
Bring your legs back.
purify the room's evil past.
Bring your legs back. Slide them back. There you go. Slide them back.
Okay?
Now push.
Off right now. Because I'm going to make this very
Slide your legs back. Slide.
here coming in and out of this place.
There you go. Slide. There you go. Slide your legs back. Nice job. Slide your legs back. Slide your legs back. Get them ready. Do big pushes.
Looking around.
Big pushes.
Notice Nick and I have nothing in
Big pushes. There you go.
Yeah, good job.
There you go. Slide your legs back.
Yeah, clap.
using provocation on
Yay.
More.
Slide your legs back. There you go. Push.
some of the people that have come here
Push.
Back.
and attacked.
Back.
This is why we use provocation.
Come on.
Provocation
Push.
can be very dangerous, but we understand
Push.
what's involved. We're showing you what can happen.
Back, Trent.
Slide your leg back.
Slide your back. Just like you did.
There you go. Now push. There you go. Slide your leg back. Slide it back. You gotta pick those toes up and slide them back.
He's messing with his car.
Back. Back. Back.
Big pushes.
Big pushes.
This time,